me. Nature is full of colors with beautiful scented flowers. When you go to a forest or a park, it's even nice in the dark. Nature has its deserts and nature has its springs. At times it's sunny and at times it rains. Nature is rather appealing, the image of its green. The human eye can testify, it's a gracious sight to be seen. Nature is full of beasts and birds with so many shrubs and ferns. Its mountains are so high that they almost touch the sky. Our environment keeps us alive. We must protect it for our society to thrive. Creates oxygen that we all consume. What's more prettier than a flower bloom? We must combat deforestation. It's the duty of every single nation. Let's begin by fighting pollution. Think together to find a solution. Forests are where animals can breathe, but trees are all gone because of greed. There must be something we can still do